Hello Cheri, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheri I. If you're new here, hey girl, hey. And if you're not, welcome back. As you can see by the title, this is going to be a Bora braids tutorial. You're probably wondering, these look like boho braids. Why are you calling them Bora? Well, I actually found this style on TikTok, and the girls were saying that the difference is with Bora braids, you see more curl than braid. As you can see, like my hair is so full, you can barely see the braids. It's more curl, and the best part about this Bora braids is it gives you an illusion of the curly wig if you're going on vacation or whatever, but you don't have to worry about your lace lifting. It still gives you the same effect without all those worries. You don't have to do a sew-in because your leave-out won't be everywhere. So it's a very protective style, but it still gives you all the goods that you need, you know. You guys can educate me down in the comments if you think they're the same, if you think they're different. Either or, I just feel like it's a beautiful style, and the curl pattern that I used is amazing, and I feel like you guys will like it. The hair we are using today is from Eayonhair. I did use 3 packs, and this hair is 18 inches. It's the perfect length. If you want to see how I achieved this style, keep on watching. The hair we're using today is from Eayonhair. I received 3 bundles and I used all of them. This is their double drone but in wavy hair, and I do recommend the double drone because it is fuller. The hair is off the weft, so it won't be going anywhere. The hair had no smell. This is how the curl pattern looked straight out of the pack. The hair is very bouncy and it's just easy to use, won't create a mess. If you're going for the exact look that I have, I do recommend you use shorter braiding hair. That's why I use this type of braiding hair, but you could do whatever you want. This is the braiding pattern, just so you can get a visual of how my hair looked before I started. Before we get started, I do want to tell y'all you don't have to do your braids as small as mine. If you want to do bigger braids and still have the same look that I have, I do recommend you add way more hair to your braids to still get the same look. Now you're going to go ahead and separate your hair into 3 pieces, then slide the braiding hair underneath on the 2 ends and leave the middle section with nothing. Once you do that, you're just going to go ahead and start braiding. I did end up just adding 3 pieces of braiding hair to each braid, no exceptions. So as you can see right here, I'm about to add my second piece of braiding hair, putting it in the same way that I did the first one. I really don't know how to explain this. You're just going to have to watch what I'm doing and try to replicate it. Now I'm putting in my last piece of braiding hair and only braid down a little bit to make sure it's secure, and then we'll start adding the curly pieces inside. Those are the size pieces that I was putting in my hair. You can do bigger or smaller depending on the look that you're going for. And honestly, if you want the look that I'm going for, I don't have a specific amount of curly hair to tell you to put in. Just so you know, I was putting in about 6 to 10, sometimes even 12. I wanted my hair to be as full as possible, and I knew I wanted to use all the human hair. Now I'm adding in my second piece, and I do want to show you guys a little trick that I did to make my hair even fuller. As you can see, the first 2 we were putting the hair in one by one, but what you want to do here is get 1 piece, put it on one side, grab a second piece of human hair, put it on another side. This is going to create that fuller look that we're going for, which makes that Bora braid. Now you're going to braid it, and then you're going to take 1 piece out. I was struggling here a little bit. Braid down a little bit just to make sure it's secure, and then take the other side out. Now you done inserted 2 pieces, which is gonna add to that fuller Bora effect. Also, if you can add more, just keep piling more. At this point, I had put all the packs of hair in my head. That's why I couldn't even add more, but if I had more, I would have put it in. So now we're about 6 human hair pieces in, and this is what I'm doing at the end to still add that fuller look. Once you get to the end, I'm going to show you guys in just a little bit. Alright, once you have your 3 even pieces like that, you're going to go ahead and do the same thing we did at the top. You're going to get your piece of human hair, put it on one side, and then get the second one, put it on the second side, the outer side. Make sure the middle one has nothing, and then continue braiding as normal. Usually when I do my boho braids, I only add one piece at the end, but because we're going for a fuller look, I did add two because I wanted that wig looking effect. Now you're gonna get one piece and tie it all together at the end to secure the hair. Alright, once you do that, that's it for you. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how the hair looks, how many curly pieces I have in. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how the braid looks. That's how it looks, fully done. Now look how beautiful this hair is. This is no product. This is how it came. I didn't put any oil on it, any water, nothing. Straight out of the pack, and I just separated it. This is how my hair looks done without dipping it in water. Now we're gonna dip it and I'll be back. Okay, we are losing the sun, but I just dipped my hair in hot water and it's still full, y'all. Look how full it still looks. And the curls, and this is no product. I haven't put anything in it besides dipping it in hot water. See, it has maintained its curl pattern. It's very defined, very, very full. I mean, you can't beat it. And this is just 3 bundles. Honestly, I am so impressed with how much hair it comes with. Incredible. Like, this is actually like crazy. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, just let me know down below. I'll make sure I answer everything that I did not mention in this video. If you like it, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to join my family. And other than that, I will see you guys in my next one. Stay blessed. Bye.